Hello everyone, I am Mr. Dr. Jallo, Dr. Jallo Al Doctor of Science, Engineering, Computer Science, Software Engineering, Electrical Mechanical Software Engineering. Today I want to show you my first design, my design in mechanical, electrical, computer science device. By starting with mechanical device. This is the first step. I show you. You can see it is looking. It is begin to. It is a mechanical multiplicator device. When I run this one run of big one run of big multiple this run this device. When I run one or two or three, I can multiply one or two or three by the coefficient number, the factor, the multiplicator number, maybe three or 2.5. This helps to make accelerator. It is very good. It is the base to make air power. To increase the speed of air and maybe behind compressor. To do compressor, this can help to make compressor when when it is running when it is running by engine. This is first step. When we combine two or three of device, we can have the multiplicator. By example, 3 multiple by 3 again and multiple by 3 again. If the device is two device connected, the multiplicator will be 3 multiple by 3. When I turn this device 1, he turn this device by 3, and this device turn again another device by 3. I will have 3 multiple by 3 if we have two devices. If we have three devices, this device turn this device by 3 and this device turn another device by 3. This is 3 multiplied by 3 because we have two devices. If we have three devices, 2 multiplied by 2, 3 and multiplied by again 3. We will have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This get this device is the key to make multiplicator by using by using mechanical device. Thank you for watching this video. You can see here, you can see here.